I now have a unique superpower as a brand manager. I work in the marketing division. Kornit is a global company for sustainable on-demand printing and printing solutions technologies. I think that since Kornit is a very colorful and creative company, a lot of people find the need to be creative when they create their own visual aids and assets. When I started my role as brand manager in Kornit, we didn't have a system that unifies Kornit's employees' email signatures. The size, the colors, the locations, people took completely creative freedom to just do whatever they wanted with the brand identity, and it was a complete disaster. And this is something that I wanted to take care of as soon as possible. I tried to find a solution that is enterprise ready to unify all the signatures across the company. And then I found WiseStamp. The main features that really stood out, first of all, the fact that I can control it from HQ and I can be in charge of how the organization looks globally. Another thing is the clickable banners that are extremely helpful to my marketing efforts. It really helps us to book demos for potential customers and to invite people to our events. The fact that I can design it according to my own brand and to my own personal needs. There are templates. The WiseStamp team is and was extremely helpful and very quickly generated our own unique and one-of-a-kind template for our signatures. Our global marketing team is using our platform non-stop since we launched it. From my perspective as a brand manager, when I see a unified asset across the company, it just makes me happier. I feel like I did my job.